Hey class, Mr. Lassard, glad to be with you again. This page is going to be a mix of review and a few new things, so pay attention and email me if you have questions. First one is just a quick review of all of the notes we've learned in lessons 1 through 3. Open second string B, first finger second string C, third finger second string D. Then we go to the first string notes. Open E, first finger F, third finger G, back down to F, open E, down to the second string, 3, 1, open, D, C, B. Real easy warm up, here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. First finger C, third finger D, open, first string E, first finger F, third finger G, back down to the F, open E, third finger D, first finger C, open B. Okay, now we're going to start learning the first 4 measures of Ode to Joy, which you are familiar with, I'm sure. If you don't know, you are. Once you start hearing it and playing it, you probably will be. Only new thing here, okay, nothing new. First measure, E, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, C, D, E. This measure, new rhythm, dotted quarter note, eighth note, half note. We're going to go into these rhythms in more detail down the road, but for now, just know the dotted quarter note lasts a little longer than a quarter note, and the eighth note is shorter. You can just kind of let your ear guide you along. You're familiar with the tune, I'm sure. Once I start playing it, you'll realize you are. And you'll just play it the way that it should sound. And then down the road, we'll explain these rhythms in more detail. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to play the notes as I explain them. Okay, play with me the first note. Open E, first string, another one, first finger, first fret, first string F, third finger G on that same string, second measure, another G, first finger F, open E, third finger D on the second string. I'm now into the third measure, first finger C on the second string, another one, third finger D, open first string E, last measure E, and then 2 third finger Ds on the second string. Okay? Pause it and practice it if you need. If not, we're moving on. Repeat after me the first measure. E, E, F, G. Your turn. Stay on that G, G, F, E, third finger D on the second string. Go. Third measure, first finger C, third finger D, open E, go. Stay on the E, then third finger D on the second string, go. E, D. Okay, let's play the whole thing. Again, at any point, feel free to pause and practice if you need. Ready, go. We'll learn more of this song later. In fact, a little further down the page, we're going to add in a little bit. All right, let's go on to the next exercise. This one's just 2 measures long. Open B, open E, then play B and E together with a half note. First finger C. When you play this C, you're going to leave it down even though you go to the open E. So make sure the finger is way up on the tip of the finger so that when you go to the open E, it comes out nice and clearly. And then you're going to play first finger C and open E together. So 29 sounds like this. B, E, and then B and E together. First finger C, open E, C and E together. All right, let's try it together. Pause and practice if you need. Otherwise, here we go. Ready, go. B. First finger C, open E, and together. All right, 30. Open B, first finger F. Then you're going to put them together for a whole note, the B and the F at the same time. Open B, third finger G. Put them together, B and G together. Then first finger C and open E together. Sounds like this. 2, 3, 4. Then C and E together. All right. Pause and practice if you need. Okay. So exercise 31. Open B and open E together. First finger on the second string C and open E together. Open B and open E together again. Open B, first finger F on the first string. So second string will be open. The first string will be first finger, first fret. Open B and third finger G together. Open B, first finger F. First finger C, open E. All right, so pause and practice if you need. Otherwise, let's play 30 together. Ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. All right. Next one. This one's only 2 measures long, and I did that on purpose because there's something a little new here. Third finger D, first finger F. After you play that D, hold it down. And then after you play the first finger F on the first string, hold it down, because then you're going to put them both together. So this is the first one in which we have two fingered notes at the same time. So all of these in the previous exercise, either the first string or the second string was open, right? Or both of them. Here they're both open. Here the first string's open, etc. Here you got to hold down a third finger D and a first finger F and play them at the same time. All right, so let me demonstrate that for you. So it's going to be third finger D on the second string. Hold it down, tips of the fingers, first finger F, and then together. All right, so pause and practice if you need. Tips of the fingers. If your thumb is in the right place, your wrist is hanging down, you should be fine. It sounds like this. Third finger D, first finger F, and then together. All right. 33. Pause and practice if you need. I'm just going to play through it. Nothing new here. This D, F, and then D and F together is just what we did right there, right? Same exact thing. But at this point, this should be, if not easy for you, you should at least be able to understand it and practice it. So pause and practice if you need. But I'm moving on. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. All right, great. Now, here, Ode to Joy with harmony, the first 4 measures with harmony. So it's going to be just like what we did up here, except that on beat 1, we're going to not just play E, E, F, G. On beat 1, it's not just E, but C and E together. Here, not just G, F, E, D like it was here, but G with an open B, then F, E, D. This measure is the same as up here. C, C, D, E. Here we had E, D, D. Here we're going to have C and E together, and then D, D. So 34 is going to sound like this. Okay? Pause and practice if you need. I'm going to play it again. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, and that brings us to our last two on this lesson and on this page. The third string notes. Open third string G. It has the same name as that G up there, right? But it's written differently and it's played differently, so don't get them confused. The G on the second line from the bottom is your open third string. The A on the second space from the bottom is second finger, second fret, second string. So let me show you. All right, the G is just an open third string, piece of cake, right? A is going to be with the middle finger. Make sure it's the middle finger. Second fret on the third string. G and A. Okay? Those two notes will take us all the way through this exercise here. 1 starts with whole note. Pause and practice if you need, but it's just either open third string G or second finger third string A. That's all we have in this exercise. 1, 2, ready, go. G, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, G, G, A. Now with quarter notes. G, G, A, G. All right. I'm moving on, but if you didn't master that, just practice on your own a little bit and then go on. So here we go. Notes on the third string and second string. G, A, B. So it's going to be third string open G. Go and play that. Second finger on the third string A. Make sure it's the middle finger. Open B, half note, open second string. Second measure, you start on that B. Back down to the second finger A on the third string. Open third string G. Here, G, A, B up to the first finger C. So open G, second finger A, open B, first finger C. You're going to stay on the C here. C, open B, second finger on the third string A, open G. Here, open G, second finger A, open G. All right. Repeat after me the first measure. G, A, your turn. Second measure, B, A, G, go. G, A, B, C. C, B, A, G. G, A, G. Last two measures, ready, go. Okay, whole thing, and then this lesson will be over. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, guys, check back in for the next lesson soon. Take care.